We're a family of three. We currently live in our RV and we travel the U.S. full-time as well as internationally. We're actually fully nomadic at this point, so we don't have a home base. We have an 11-year-old Aiden who is homeschooled. We recently drove our RV from California all the way to Texas because we did something, y'all. We bought a house. And no, we are not moving into a house and we don't plan to settle anytime soon. However, we've been talking a lot about real estate over the past couple of years. I've been deep dive learning about real estate and reading everything that I could about it because I wanted to learn about it and figure out how to grow our net worth based on that. And so when I came across this property, that was a really good steal on a really nice sizable piece of land where we could park our RV in the back. I was like, we need to hop on it, we need to get it. One thing that means a lot to us is the fact that we're able to purchase this property in cash. Given the fact that 4 years ago, we couldn't make our mortgage payments, our car was repoed, we were living in an RV that we purchased on Facebook Marketplace with no money to our name, no savings, no investments, nothing. To be able to come up from that to where we are now is such an accomplishment for us. And I am so thankful and I am so grateful and I am so proud of us for all the hard work we've put in and all the sacrifices that we've made to be able to get where we are right now. When we started RVing, I did not realize how much of an impact that would make on our lives. We are spending more time together as a family. We've been to over 44 states. We've been to over 50 countries. We now own a home that we purchased cash. So many good changes have come along. Has it been easy? No, it hasn't always been easy. There's been lots of ups and downs along the way, but I am so glad that we are headed in the right direction. So our goal with this place, again, is to get it rent ready and rent it out and then have a space in the back where we could park our RV and just have something that's ours. I am looking forward to this new adventure and I can't wait to see what's next. If you aren't following me yet, make sure you do. And if you have any questions, please ask. I am always happy to answer.